wasn't ready before. Now I am.
Invincible is a new animated show on Amazon Prime that just concluded its first season last week. Invincible is an adult animated series based on the Skybound Image comic about a teenager whose father is the most powerful superhero on the planet. Full disclosure, I didn't even know this comic book existed. I didn't know the show was coming out. The only thing I saw was some clip of the two main characters playing catch with each other in the first episode. So I knew nothing about this show. I didn't even watch a trailer. The only thing I knew was J.K. Simmons was playing that most powerful superhero on the planet. I went into the show completely blind. The reason I'm saying this is because I'm going to keep this review spoiler free because I don't think enough people are watching this show from what I've heard online. This show is incredible. This is one of the best first seasons of television I have ever seen. It's going to be extremely hard to talk about the things I loved about this show without getting the spoilers, but I will stay clear of that because I went into the show completely blind, and I think it made my experience a lot better. There are some shocking moments in the show that I did not see coming. While watching the first episode, I thought I understood what the tone of the show was going to be, and boy was I fucking wrong. I won't get into it, obviously, but where they go is so incredible to watch. And it's so smart. And that's the first main compliment I can give this show. You really have no idea where it's going. Unless, of course, you've read the comics. But me going in blind, I had no idea where they were going. So each episode was extremely interesting to me. I had no idea what they're doing with this story. But it's always interesting. And the episodes are so fun to watch. It's extremely well paced. I was never really bored with any of these episodes. There's a huge cast for the show, and they are all amazing. Almost every single character in the show was played perfectly and interesting. But I will say the two best characters of the show are Mark, who is Invincible, and Omni-Man, Invincible's father. Steven Yeun is so charismatic and so much fun as Invincible. This is an extremely likable character, and Steven Yeun does a fantastic job with it. But I will say my favorite character in the show, my favorite performance is J.K. Simmons as Omni-Man. He fucking crushes it. He owns this role. He is by far my favorite part about this show so far. He steals every scene he's in, and that is really because of J.K. Simmons' performance. He fucking nails it. The animation's great, the story's great, there's so much fun elements in the show. Yes, sometimes there can be some generic superhero story beats to it, but there's always a fun, creative, unique feeling to it. If I had to pinpoint an issue with this season, I would say that there is a lot of setup for other seasons. Now, that's good for season one. That's good that a show does that. But here, sometimes the setup can be really quick, and sometimes it's not that interesting compared to other storylines. Some storylines are just not as interesting as others, and it can slow down the pacing of the whole entire season. And it's weird to say that some of these plot elements feel really quick, even though this series, each episode is 50 minutes long and it's an animated show, which I love, by the way. I think it's great that these episodes are really long. It just makes you want more and more, and you're given more. I think that's great. But it's weird to say that these episodes are pretty long and some of these things feel rushed. But like I said before, it's not a huge issue because season one of any show needs to set up things. I think they are setting up a lot of things moving forward. It just sometimes felt like they were forgotten about or just thrown away. I know this review seems super short, but I want to keep this completely spoiler free so that you guys are surprised like I was when I watched this show. So in the end, Invincible was incredible. There is a lot of great things about this season. This is one of the best season ones of a show I've ever seen. The characters are great. The plot is extremely interesting. It's never really boring. Some plot elements aren't as interesting as others, but overall the story is so investing and a lot of fun to watch. There are some extremely shocking moments. There are some amazing voice performances in the show, specifically with Steven Yeun and J.K. Simmons. And I had to think about this, and fuck it, I'm going to say it. This has the best pilot season finale I think I've ever seen. And I really had to think about it, and I think it is. I think it is the best pilot season finale I've ever seen. I'm going to give season one of Invincible 9.5 Davy Daves. It's on Amazon Prime. Go check it out. It is worth it. It's only 8 episodes. It's a quick, easy watch. You're going to have a lot of fun. And it just got renewed for seasons 2 and 3. So I am excited for that. So Invincible, season 1. Let me know what you guys thought if you've seen it. And thank you so much for watching. Click here to see more of Davey Dave's Takes.